Hello curious minds and welcome back to our space lab.
Today, let's see how to use an LCD display to show a text of your desire. For this, we would need the LCD display, a breadboard, the microcontroller, in this case the Arduino Uno, a potentiometer, and few connecting cables. Let's see how to make the connections. For this connection, you would need a lot of cables, as you can see here. The LCD display normally does not come soldered. I would advise you to solder the pins that come along with it with the LCD display. Soldering makes sure that there is no loose connections and we end up with no errors. Follow the sketch to have a clear representation of how to make the connections. The pins are numbered from 1 to 16 from the left of the LCD to the right of the LCD. Number 1 goes to the ground, which is connected via a potentiometer to my Arduino. The number 2 goes to a 5-volt supply, which is again connected via the potentiometer. I'm using a potentiometer here to regulate the amount of power or voltage, in this case, flowing to the backlight LEDs of my LCD display. Using this potentiometer, I can accurately control or change or modulate the brightness of my display. Pause the video to make the connections as shown in the sketch. Once your connections are ready, let's see how the programming is done.
As many times before, we'll use a library for the sketch. Let's include it first. Then we'll tell the program what pins are connected to the LCD display. In the setup part, we need to specify how many letters and lines our LCD display has. Ours has 16 letters on every of its 2 lines. In the main loop, we want to display a message. So first we'll set the cursor to line 0, letter 0, and print the first line, Arduino Space Lab. Then we'll set the cursor to letter 0, line 1, and print subscribe. We cannot print an emoji or a bell button, but you know where to find them. Let's test our setup. You can also come up with different messages and using delay showing you one every hour or every day. What would you print? Share with us in the comments below. Stay tuned for more Arduino videos. See you in the next one.